This bright, balanced blend comes from Spain's central plateau. Manchuela is framed by the Júcar and Cabriel rivers, whose sediments make up the limestone-based clay soils. Vineyards here are 600 to 1,000 meters above sea level. The altitude has a cooling effect and works with fresh Mediterranean winds to moderate the dry, hot summer days. This helps slow ripening, resulting in white grapes that produce fresh, fruity wines with good acidity. Macabeo and Sauvignon Blanc are perfect partners. Together they present aromas of citrus and tropical fruit with soft white blossom. The palate is lush and layered with pronounced flavors of green apple, pear, grapefruit, and tropical fruit with light notes of honeysuckle and grass. This wine is fresh and flavorful and is a perfect patio sipper. However, its lively acidity and elegant complexity make it a perfect complement to creamy cheeses and salty foods. Pair with our LE21 signature recipe, baked feta with tomato, capers, and olives. Available by pre-order, reserve yours today.